Now we're going to define the milestones. And first of all, I want to define another activity which is called rollout. This is supposed to get final product live to the public, for example, a website. So I'm going to type then 8.1, okay, 2 and 3, 𝗙𝗵𝗊 it1, like this, and I say very simple, I give 2 to 3 days. This is equal to this. And I copy this formula. This is equal to this. Okay, so we have this. Then I okay, and this is including the M, okay. And 7. For the moment we do like this. So first of all we have the project start. I don't mind. Let's say that when we have the project idea, okay, I have idea finalized, and then I have study, feasibility study, planning phase, plan finalize. Integration, we have S1, sprint S2, sprint S3. Okay, so this each one is a sprint in Scrum. I'm gonna drag this 3, 4, 5. Then I call this sprint, and then also in the integration phase I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna create this one. I'm going to do the same for this. Okay, we have sprint 1 and 7. So QA, let's say start UAT, user acceptance test, because you have to inform your customer that they have to start their activities. Okay, and then roll out. Okay, here we are. Okay, the duration of this is 0 for all because there are dates. Okay, and here we're going to do the following. Of this, and this is equal to this. I'm going to drag this. This one is max of the feasibility study. In the kickoff meeting is at the end of the planning phase, and we have sprint 1, which is equal to the end of this. Okay, the same is for the other, and this one is equal to okay, so we get this area. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to do the following. So first of all, we're going to block. Okay, so column I need to do a conditional formatting here. Home conditional formatting. The start of the project. So in this case, it's the column is fixed. Okay, format. Okay, I'm gonna fill it with blue, and this applies to. Here we see these are our milestones. We have our milestones. Yeah. Spain. Freeze, and then we can also do like this. I'm gonna freeze from here. Okay. Our table with the milestones, and we're gonna see how to display this graphically. Okay.